Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make lemon juice using a blender. First, choose about 4 to 6 fresh, ripe lemons. They should feel firm and heavy for their size. Thoroughly wash each lemon under cool, running water to remove any dirt or residues. Next, gather your essential tools: a sturdy blender, a sharp knife, and a fine mesh strainer. These simple steps ensure you start with the best ingredients and equipment. Now, let's prepare the lemons for blending. Using your sharp knife, carefully cut each washed lemon into 4 to 6 manageable wedges. This size helps the blender process them efficiently. Be sure to meticulously remove any visible seeds from each piece, as these can introduce bitterness into your juice. Once prepared, transfer all the lemon wedges directly into your blender container. To begin the blending process, add about 1/4 cup of fresh water to the blender along with your lemon wedges. This small amount of liquid helps the blades work smoothly. Secure the lid and blend on high speed for approximately 30 to 60 seconds until the mixture appears pulpy and well processed. Afterward, carefully pour the entire blended contents through a fine mesh strainer placed over a bowl. After pouring, use a spoon or spatula to firmly press down on the lemon pulp in the strainer, ensuring you extract every last drop of delicious juice. Once all the liquid is collected, you can discard the remaining fibrous pulp. Taste your fresh lemon juice. You might want to add a touch more water or a sweetener if desired. Store your homemade lemon juice in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.